Tired of your blog content feeling more like a frantic scramble than a strategic masterpiece? Let's tame that content chaos and transform it into a well-oiled blogging machine using Trello. First, create a new board in Trello and name it something inspiring like Blog Content Calendar. Now, let's build our workflow. Create for lists idea backlog. This is where all your brilliant blog ideas will live in progress for posts you're actively working on, ready to publish, those near perfect drafts awaiting their moment, and finally, published, a celebration of your hard work. Now for the fun part, brainstorming. Add cards to your idea backlog list. Each card represents a potential blog post. Give it a catchy title, like 5 ways to boost your website traffic. Click on a card to open it. In the description, jot down a brief outline or key talking points. Use the checklist feature to break down the writing process into smaller, manageable tasks, like research keywords, write intro, and edit draft. Assign due dates to keep yourself on track, and if you have a team, assign writers to specific posts. As you start working on a post, simply drag the card from the idea backlog list to the in progress list. This visually shows you what stage each post is in. Integrate a calendar power-up to see your publishing schedule in a monthly view. This is a game-changer for planning your content release. Once a post is published, drag it to the published list and give yourself a pat on the back. You've officially conquered content chaos with Trello. Now go forth and create amazing blog content.